Okay, what I'm going to do today, is to educate people about how to set cans, Like most in Africa or in Nigeria, we have this waste, this can to block the drainage, But with this type of machine, I believe you can sell your can by yourself, So that is what I'm going to do and what I'm going to teach you now. So let's go. Okay, and two. Before you can able to say this kind, you have to look at this code. When you have this code, when you put it inside that hole, it's going to scan, which means you have your money, But if you should tear or tear this cellophane away, without this, you can't sell your car, But with this, you have to leave this scan code, before you can able to sell it. So let's go. But before then, there is something on my phone that I have here. I'm going to show you guys. I have this scan code here, so I'm going to scan it on this. I have this scan code. I have to scan it here first, Then let's go. Just you see. Now I have to put my can. You see, how we are doing it, we put it inside and it goes straight, How you can see. How we are doing it, So this is how we do it, And with this, after this, I mean, what happened? Yeah, this is how we roll. Just, so this is it, Come through. Come and show this place, This is the numbers. Can they see it? Just put it there. This is the numbers. Number 12. Just hold on there. If I put this one in, it will change to 13, No, this is 13. So now we have already sold it. For you to have the money, you have to press this. Yeah. That's what I have to press it there. Yeah, that is finished. Guys, I believe you can see. So follow me. So we are finished now, It is done. So we have our money now. What I'm like saying is this, In Nigeria, let me go particularly, in Nigeria. In the drainage, those cans, they used to block the drainage. But with this, everybody can have, you don't even have to maybe put it somewhere, once you have, instead of you putting it down in the drainage to block the drainage, you just have to take it down here, put into your machine, and you sell your plastic, But with this, it's gonna help a lot, There won't be any of those stuff outside, So it's very good, Guys, please don't forget to follow me on Facebook, So that is that, So thank I said Facebook. Follow me on YouTube, Straight, Thank you guys. I appreciate, okay? So I believe I don't know like who is gonna watch this. I believe there are different places in Africa, in Nigeria, who is gonna watch it, They can do such thing like this, on the street. They can do it on the street, whereby people will be selling their cans, instead of throwing it in the garbage to block the drainage, People can do it, So that is why I just have to share this, with you guys. So guys, thank you very much. I appreciate. Bye.